I'm thinking about adding a basement apartment to our home. Can I write off the financing costs on my income tax?
Short answer is yes. That's why many people use mortgage helpers in their home. They have a 1 or 2 bedroom suite that's already there, or they renovate for it. And so on your direct question, the financing aspect specific to the renovation for the purpose of generating revenue, you can offset that financing part 100% against the income from that property, because there's a direct cause-effect relationship for that expense. Now, you can also write off a portion of other home-related expenses, too, if you have a mortgage helper 1 or 2 bedroom suite. That is, all the expenses relating to your home, your general mortgage expenses, your insurance, property taxes, utilities, maintenance, the normal things that constitute what you pay every year for your primary residence. And then you take a portion, square footage, of your rental 1 or 2 bedroom suite relative to the overall square footage of your home, and you take that portion off your aggregate expenses relating to that home. So in this scenario, let's say your aggregate expenses are, let's say, $20,000 a year, and your 1 or 2 bedroom suite constitutes 20% of the square footage. Then you would take 20%, which is 1/5 of 20,000. That's what, $4,000 that you could then offset against your income before you end up having to declare every year what your net income is from that property when you declare that. Key thing is, of course, you don't take depreciation off. You're just dealing with expenses. That's how you do it with if you have a rental suite. The key other thing, too, make sure you get tax advice from a chartered accountant or certified general accountant, the 2 most common qualified accountants out there. And better to get comparison advice on anything in life. Generally, the rule of 3 works well. Normally, the initial consultation is free. You want to ask to make sure that's the case, to make sure the advice you're getting is consistent. If not, you want to find out why not. But that's the approach to adopt if you're looking at having a mortgage helper in your basement.